Ouch. Okay. That medicine ball definitely took things personally. 1 second he's cleaning the roof, the next he's a human snowball. This honestly happens so fast. Gravity just won that round. Ego lifting in the garden was definitely a bad idea. I know cutting branches is risky, but that ladder move? That was a disaster waiting to happen. No way! One dropped box and the whole gym just turned into a total whiteout. No way! That stunt on the ledge ended in a painful trip down the stairs.
There you go! There you go!
Snap! That pole gave up mid-air.
Yeah, look at that tire! Oh my God!
Look at that! The wheel is gone and the sparks are flying. Highway horror at its finest. Oops. Her dance moves were too fire for that mirror to handle. What a mess. Heart-stopping dodge as massive rocks avalanche right at her car. Nature's fury unleashed. Man's insane climb to escape raging dogs. 2 seconds flat. Catastrophic board betrayal on the ramp. He never saw it coming. Karate whack fail. His landing crashes hard. Disaster! Crash! Solo washing machine fail turns deadly.
It's like watching Mitt and Mutt work around here.
Snap! Wood explodes like a twig, hands inches from disaster. Woohoo! Insane airtime dodge. Car flies like a stunt gone wild. Disaster. Curtain crashes epic performance mid-act. Crash. Gym gear snaps. She dodges instant disaster. Smash. Wet roads plus red light equals brutal crash you can't unsee. Shocking! Snowplow buries car alive. One wild dodge. Nightmare fall. Roof to shattering glass trap. Unbelievable! Car dragged like a toy in seconds. Whoa, porch drowns in milk tsunami. No tears, just epic mess. Yikes! Blindsided by a sliding van. Her split-second swerve saves her life. Ouch. She smashes rock before water. Scar incoming. Chaos erupts. Intersection demolition derby explodes. Crash. Epic wheelie goes wrong. Unbelievable. House obliterated in seconds. $1 million nightmare you can't ignore. Insane jump shatters table to dust. Epic fail. Log circus stars shocking splash dive. I'm still shaking. You don't realize how massive these whales are until they're right next to you.
Y esto es lo que pasa. Cemento fresco.
No way. He just ruined his bike. That cement is definitely winning this one. You'd be surprised how quickly even your biggest fan can turn on you.